Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is strategy for dealing with straight punches, parallel cross, high and low. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes. Please click like and subscribe and click the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day.
Today's concept, all we're going to work on is straight punch defenses with different variables. Always moving from the known, not going to spend a lot of time on it. Just parallel, nice and simple, straight punch comes in. All I want is just stepping in, PAK SAO punch, 20 each. I mean, I feel confident you're all okay with this. So remember, I watch the leading elbow, I'm stepping off the line, and I want to time my rear foot with my fist, right? And I also want to time it with my breath. So deep breath in, just exhale, PAK SAO and punch. Nice, simple, easy warm-up. I'm going to go through this progression, the high and low, and then to doubles and combos, okay? Nice and simple. Run through the next one, you can start a lead stance or a side neutral. We're going to go cross arm. It's going to be the same technique again, just 20 until we start getting a little bit more advanced. So the straight punch comes in. Also want you to do a side step, PAK and punch, just 20 each. Nice and simple. Step off, PAK and punch. So you can also take it from the lead, right? So we did it parallel and we did it cross arm. Okay, so there's a little method to my madness. Real quick, just 20 and 20, go. Cross arm, we're going to work it the same way. Straight punch comes in. I want you to PAK, come over and check. But moving forward, as we move everything, I want you to start double tapping after that. Nice and simple. Step off the line, PAK and punch, come over, flop and punch, follow it up. All right, just getting, again, nice, simple stuff. Just working from the known into progressively a little bit more, and then we'll get legs in, and then we'll go high and low. Everybody okay? So again, it's cross arm off the back, jam it in, cover the elbow, 1 and 2, bounce off. All right? All right, man. Now I just get the feet a little involved, right? Same thing, we're going cross arm. Straight punch can come in. I want you to step off the line with the Chun Sao. All right? Just move it off the line, the PAK SAO, Chun Sao. I'm going to be ginger with this. Take your front kick, notice gently, and then we're going to double tap it, all right? So stepping off the line, PAK SAO, Chun Sao, take the front kick, come back in 1 and 2, just a quick double tap. All right? These are, listen, I'm just trying to give you different strategies. Pick one that you like. It's really simple. This is just PAK. It's going back to basics. Always go back to basics, man.
You hit the lower ribs. Does it matter what part of the lower ribs that you hit?
No, I mean, if you go for the floating ribs, there's not much support there, so they break really good. I'm not a big fan of high kicks. I don't like really going above the waist. One of my favorite aspects, not so much the groin, go to the bladder. Most men are going to urinate themselves really, really quick. You can break the coccyx. Larry, what's the pelvis? That little piece of the pelvis is only a small piece of cartilage that binds it together. Yeah. You can.
The pubic symphysis.
Thank you.
Pubic bone. You know, you can break it.
You can break that fairly easy. All right. Or, I mean, the other thing is really simple. Very straight punch. When you're coming in, just stomp on the knee. So you can turn it whether it's a stomp kick or a side kick. Either one is fine. So it's a half side step, PAK SAO, Chun Sao, control. Take your kick, step in. Again, I want you to get used to at least double tapping. Okay? Nice, simple double tap. Now, common thing is coming to the body. So this works whether it's going to be a straight punch, which I'd like you to stick with, or an uppercut. Old school, nothing fancy. They come for the body shot, coming straight, right, parallel. Just drop your elbow down. Just drop it down. So he's coming in, shoot it in, just drop it down, hit 1 and 2. All right, just drop the elbow down, 1 and 2. So if you did it with a round punch, it wouldn't really change anything. Drop my elbow down, 1 and 2. 1 and 2, right? So you're here, just drop the elbow down, 1 and 2. So you always want to have the capability of using 2 hands at the same time. So I'm looking at what he's doing. Shots coming low, I'm just dropping this down. I don't care what he does with his head. I'm going to come in. If he starts to slide off the heel, just come back off the other way. All right, just coming in here, 1 and 2. All right, go ahead, play with being off on my foot for a while. Just let me go back into my annals. So every class we finish 3 to 5 minutes of free fighting. Not controlled, slow, but just free. You know, so you don't know it's coming, but we're going to start with a controlled environment, just deal with straight punches. Either one goes. So I don't know if we'll have time today, but you guys got to start picking up your licks a little bit. And just going back to make sure you can apply your basics. All right, man, so we did that parallel. So we'll take it cross. It's going to be the same thing. So just something a little different. He comes in low. You can also watch. Just take a back step with a little bone out, right? Just come in and just take a back step with a little bone out. Come back over the top. All right, nice and simple. So one more time. shoots it out my low bone. I check side palm, and I just come back over with that overhand right, or overhand left in this case. Pretty simple. So from here, bone check, side palm, and then come back over the top. You guys good with that? I love the overhands. They're just some of my favorite things. We're going to be ripping straight punches apart until we get to doubles. So the same thing is come with the low shot. We'll do one more cross, right? You're going to come in, just nice and simple. Just step off the line, right? Nice and simple. Just a PAK SAO, check and hit, all right? Or if your distance is good, gun and hit, and then hit. Either one is fine, all right? Just step off the line, gun and hit, and hit.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.